Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. What's up, what's up, what's up? How's everybody doing out there? Hey, Spaces. Hey, BK, you see gold? Gold is up there in our bands. Make sure I get that on there. Don't know if I'm going to take it yet in the Apex accounts. I'm debating, I'm watching it. I'm watching gold. Do I want to swing on it? I don't know. We have the 8 o'clock open, so Nikkei should be opening up here in just a moment. We'll see how that's all going to open up. Hey, Plum Trader, what's up? What's up? Don't forget, smash that lucky like button. Hey, ready? Rick, Finite. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Gold's getting it right now. Okay. Where's the Nikkei at? Nikkei got way up. 527. Cosby's not open. Cosby's not open yet. We have a 9 count up here too. We have a 9 count up here in the gold. We're on bar number 9 as we speak. Can they get it? All right, trying to rip it up here at the moment. NASDAQ just took off. Cosby and Nikkei both gapping up big. So big rip back, right back up on the NASDAQ, right back to the opening price. Oh, look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's also in the bands. Do I dare swing at it? Let's see. I'm debating it. I feel like the market's waiting for something. Hey, Finite, what's up? Oh, just made new session highs on the NASDAQ. We're up there in the bands too. Hey, Raj, good evening. Where's the oil? Oil's down 69 cents. All right, NASDAQ's still ripping. Really thinking about shorting this. See if I can get a little something there. Or am I going to get stopped out in the first trade? Yeah, breaching standard deviations. We're almost about to breach the third right there. So I don't mind taking a swing at that. Nikkei's up pretty big. Nikkei, Kospi gapping up pretty big. Yeah, finally moving. It'd probably be short-lived. Man, that market was brutal. Anybody trade it this afternoon? I did not, but I think it got me. Good PPI in Japan. Yeah. Yeah, that was like 10 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago. I feel like we got something else. Oil's down 71 cents. Let's see. Nice wick right here on this NASDAQ. All right, target 1 off. See if I can get target 2. Target 2 hits. It'll make up for that last losing trade. Come on down here. Let's get it. Get it. Please. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. 2 more points. Let's go. I closed it. I closed it. Still up for the night. So 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss, or 1 loss, 1 win. So we'll see. I'm kind of curious real quick. Let's go look. See that crude oil real quick. And you see crude oil coming down here a little bit. Gold's right here at the second band. Spiked into the second band right there. My ATMs are basically just placeholders. So I have a stop and target out there and then I move it around. But default is 5-point target, 10-point stop loss. But I try to move my targets further away. And I try to get out before my stop loss gets hit. Doesn't always happen, but we'll see if gold's going to keep on pushing. We look right here on the NASDAQ. I do see we have a point of control up here at 915. On the ES, point of control is at 773.75. So yeah, I just jumped in the gold, Raj, on the Apex ones. So it'll go out there as 10 points, but I move it up. On the ES, I move it up instantly on the stop. Usually it's 4 to 6 points. But initially it does throw out a 10-point stop loss, but I move it as soon as I put that on. So I'm not switching different ATM strategies and whatnot. We're using the same one to kind of hold the place. We're trying to push back up. New session highs as we speak. All 4 of the indices in the green. And really the overseas markets. Look at Nikkei. Nikkei is pumping. $1,249 points up. Kospi's up 288. So a big strong push at the open. HSI opens up here at 930. Hey Tris, what's up? Might take another swing at this. I took another little scalp over here on the NASDAQ. Playing up here as we went pushed to a new high. Not looking for a huge move. Just a little something. Thought about getting out right there at the 50. Just did not. I'd like to get at least 150 out of this, maybe. 150, 200 bucks would be nicer, but 150, I'll look to maybe hit the close button. Dang it. Dang it. We are working on bar number 9 right now, too. Bar number 9, in effect, should close out here any moment. Just saw 185. Come on. Hey, mini trader. Good evening. Hey, Brad. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. We are going to be doing an Apex account giveaway tonight. So don't forget to smash that like button. Hey, Lee, what's up? Oil's down 80 cents. Come on, just go a little bit more. Last night after I got out of the stream, if I would have held that trade instead of saying F it and got out for 40 bucks, it would have hit my $200. Oh man, I was in that trade forever and ever and ever. Come on. Come on. You got it. Really like to see it come down, hit that 200 EMA right down here. But we'll see. We will see. Don't you ever come by here. Oh, man. So how'd you guys do out there today? Good day, bad day, so-so day? I don't like that we're going back up here. I feel a little bit better now about that. All right, 200 trying to catch up to my limit price. Good day, nice. Talk to some people. Some people had good days. Some people got smoked. So, Jesse did secure another max payout today. He was telling me about. He texted me this evening. I almost hit close. I almost hit close. Hey, Leo, what's up? I'm out. All right, so I got a pretty good start to the night. One loss. The rest have been wins. Let's get it. We're only 11 minutes in. I think I'm 3 trades in. So, not too upset with that. Not too upset. Hey, Benjamin, good evening. Lone Wolf, what's up? And setting up with Ninja? Yeah, we can probably do that. The video I have coming out for tomorrow is going to be on the Renko charts. The settings, all that fun stuff, how I use it. So nice 9 count right over here on the NASDAQ. Up here in the VWAP bands. Do we get more of a push down or not? I took a quick glance at the liquidity. And I don't really see any major liquidity in my line of sight until all the way down here at about 680. Other than that, there's not a whole lot of liquidity out there tonight. The indicator is not working. It's probably because you must have missed a step. If you go to, I'll find it for you. Hey, if you watch this video real quick and you follow the steps in that video, it should work. I just dropped that video today. And I actually show an example with Take Profit Trader in that video. So. No, hey, so if you watch that video, just watch towards the end of the video. I show you exactly how to do it. If you follow those steps, it should work. You should have no problems. But you're probably logging in with Ninja with the wrong login, is what I'm suspecting. Hey, Eddie, what's up? That's where most people go wrong. So, Austin does it for 3 days. Man. See about taking another swing at this. But I'm like, maybe I'll wait a minute. Stay wait a minute. Now let's go look. Tomorrow we do have news coming out. So tomorrow. Actually, let's look at tonight. Tonight, do we have any news? Any news? Not really. No more plant economic news for tonight. Really, tomorrow though, we do have a little bit of news. We have core PPI coming out and the weekly unemployment claims, along with PPI coming out. So it comes out at 8:30 tomorrow. So at least we get the news out before the market opens. Yeah, make sure the credentials match. If they don't, it will not work. So I got a sneaky suspicion the HSI is going to probably gap up tonight as well. Dang it. Oil's down at 84 cents. Market's too terrible. The regression channel is sloping up pretty steep at the moment. So I'll get a few. Give it a little bit. See, we start flattening this out a little bit. We're just going to keep on screaming. We do have those pointing controls up there that ES 773.75 and on the NASDAQ 915. Can we get up there? Maybe. Maybe. Market's been rough. That market's been a chop fest lately. It's like chopping everybody up. Little chop suey. Look at the ES right here on the 1 minute. Right from the bands down to VWAP. What's the range? Tonight the range has been 7 points. That's not much. NASDAQ, the range has been 83 points. A little bit better than last night. I feel like the market's getting ready for a big move. I don't know if it's going to be up or down, but the way the market's been trading, it's like it's waiting for something. What is that something? I don't know. But I definitely feel like it's waiting for something. So we'll see. Stopped in gold, made it in NQ. Nice. Nope, you didn't miss anything. Just trying to stay awake over here. I'm just hoping it's not like last night. Hope that wasn't all the movement we get, then we just chop around the rest of the night. This whole week has just been horrible in terms of movement in the markets. Oh, wow. Eddie's already getting it. Let's go check it out. Oh, good job, Eddie. Eddie's killing it. Hey, you got to leave some money for the rest of us. Look at that. 16 hundo. You see the RPA counts? Man, that's awesome. Really, really good. It's funny. NASDAQ seems a little bit stronger than the ES at the moment. That's where my money's gone. Yeah, see, you have to see Eddie, see if you get any rebates. See Eddie see if he'll rebate your losses. Let's see. We're back up in these bands again. Here goes a new session high. Do I dare smack it? I might take another swing at it. I'll see this push a little bit more through that high. I might look for another quick little short. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. There we go. Bam. Another win. Let's get it. Loving it. Loving it. Little scalp here, little scalp there. Everywhere, scalp, scalp. How was CPI? Yeah, it came in line with expectations. We had an initial big move, and that was it. Then it was just like, oh my goodness. So they've been doing a pretty good job of chopping everybody up. Hey, Crawford, I do still use the charts that way. I might have changed the colors. That's about it. All the settings are still the same. And my back position. Hey, if we go up there again and hit the high, I may look for another short. So if we come back up here and we take out this high, and we're back in the deviation bands, I'm gonna smack it. So breaking the high and the deviation bands, I'm gonna look for another scalp to the downside. So I'm glad you liked it, Crawford. Can't believe it was 4 years ago I made that. I'd like to have at least one more really good trade. That'd be fantastic. Make it nice and easy. Like easy peasy squeezy. I want to go look at Dow. Looks like Dow might be. Let's look at this real quick. Yeah, look at it, Dow. Dow's going down. NASDAQ's threatening to make a new session highs. And we look at the ES. ES like, you know, kind of want to go with the NASDAQ, but not really sure yet. RTY, kind of hanging out near VWAP. Ooh, on Tradevate, I'm not sure. I don't really use Tradevate to place my trades. I use NinjaTrader, so I'm not real familiar with that platform yet. I do plan to try to make myself more familiar with it. So I can do some videos on it and stuff, and just good to know in case I'm ever out and about and I need to, you know, log into the web and be able to get out of my trades or whatnot. We get up there and go, pow, smack it. Smack it real good. Kind of curious though, what's the dollar doing? DXY. Dollar's going down. See where yields finished today? Yeah, it looks like they might have finished near the highs. Yeah, yields finished near the high of the day. So again, push up through these highs and get me back in these bands. All right, here we are. I might take a swing at this. Hold on. I need a little bit more. I want a little bit higher than this. No, you would think not, but you know, price is king. Always got to remember that. Price is king. I'm getting ready to short this. Up in these bands, I'm looking for a short. So a little bit above this high. Look for a little scalped up. Bam! Smack it. It's not going to give it to me. See the divergence we have over here on the 1 minute too. We look right here at the delta. Here's a high delta, a little bit lower, and about equal right there. Should have held gold longer. So we always say when we get out of a trade and it keeps running. Dog it. I want to see if we can break down below that 200 EMA. Yeah, I actually got my props split up into 4 different chunks right now. Come on. So I got 4 different sim accounts I use for leaders. Target things. I might end up making a video on that pretty soon too. Dog, I had the right idea. Dog it. So I want to wait and see. Can we break? I want to play a break. See if we can break that 200 EMA and down we go. Dang it. Stupid market. Stupid market. You shorted there? Oh, nice. Finite. I was trying to be picky with my entry. I was hoping for a little bit more of a push into those bands. No, hey, the giveaway form, you only have to sign up once. Once you're on the email list, you're on it, unless you remove yourself from the list. Yeah, well, what I'm thinking about is, so in my mind, $1,000 is a great night for me, period. Usually when I'm not on stream, I'm usually $400 to $800 ish. $1,000 and over is good. A lot of nights since we've been streaming, I've been in front of the charts a lot more, talking about them. I find myself in more trades. I've been getting around 1,500. Well, not every night, but I've been seeing those numbers a lot more. So I really would like to get over 1K without doing a nosedive back down. And when I get that close to it, I hesitated a little bit. So again, good trades don't stick around for long. So if you see a trade out there like, oh man, should get in it. You're like, I don't know. Think about it. Oh yeah, maybe I should get in. If you got plenty of time to think about it, it's probably going to be a bad trade. Good trades do not hang around for long. Yeah, scoop it up before everybody else does. That goes on long side or the short side. So. Oh, good job on that, BK. Good deal. ES got smacked back down too. If we look at ES went back up, barely touched the band, boom, right back to VWAP and actually below VWAP as we speak. we take that higher low, you're gonna short again. Are you talking about taking out this low right here? I wouldn't be against that either. Or even here. I'm not against it. I'm just trying to be a little bit more cautious. When's the giveaway? I don't know what time yet. Kind of depends on the like, how quick we get the like counter up. Quicker we get the likes up, the quicker we'll do the giveaway. Hey, BK, I haven't seen any major news. Japan had PPI, but 36-day, 24-hour day stream. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's a little much, Eric. I do think there's a good shot we're going to work our way back down towards the VWAP down here. Or if VWAP comes up the price, either or. But right now it's about 820 on VWAP. Oh. Hey, Sam, you should write him back and say, hey, can you credit my 3 days to my account? And they will. Most of the time they will. Unless they already even said that in the email. Say, can you extend my subscription by 3 days since I had no data? I'm still trying to come down. We're going to go right to that VWAP with me getting 0 of it. Yeah, that's where I think we're going to, Raj, that VWAP. It's all good, though. You know, I'm up for the night already, so I don't have to get every single move, even though it would have been beautiful. It's all right. Wow, oil's down 97 now. Let's look at oil on the daily. See y'all. It doesn't look like much. Doesn't look like that big of a down candle yet. 4 hour, you see the MACD trying to roll over here. Oil is probably coming down to 81.55 to 81.26. Below that, we're probably coming down towards 79.38. Oh, Nikkei is coming back a little bit too. Look, Nikkei, big gap up. Looks like it's rolling over. We'll see if we can get past gap support and go down and try to fill the gap. Kospi still hanging out. A little bit of a roll to it, but not as much as the Nikkei yet. Hey, Raj, you think it's a good move to play a bounce off that VWAP? I don't know. ES is almost at the lower band. But I don't think I want to play the ES right now because if we look right here from the low of the day to the high of the day, we're looking at a 7-point range. So right now it doesn't make sense for me to trade the ES tonight. Only for 10 to 30 points. I think you will go lower. Let's get it. Saw oil was down 101. So what's making oil go down? What's making oil go down? I don't know. Let's see, dollar. That dollar's trying to go down a little bit. See gold. Ah, gold's ripping. Holy shoot. Gold is getting it. Let's see what that 4 hour looks like. Now, looks like it's going to break. Yeah, we got a little MACD divergence, though. 30 though. Look, 30. MACD got down towards the zero line. Little double bottom action. Broke the neckline. Looks like we would have already hit the target though. That target would have already been hit. Had 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. Little bounce. I don't see any news coming out. Oh, then Mike's going to cry when he misses that VWAP touch. I said 820. I was calling out 820 for the VWAP touch when VWAP was down at 820. Now it's slightly higher, about still about 820. 820, 821. Wait, we still have a gap, not from this past Sunday, the Sunday before. And the fact that we didn't close that gap by last Thursday. Said usually it'd be a couple weeks before we come back and visit it. Well, here's week number 1. We got 2 trading days left. So. My watch is charged. Love the late night streams. I appreciate that. We still have not hit the VWAP yet. Yes, did not make it down to the lower bands. It's trying to reject back towards the VWAP. So. Yeah, forgot about that gap. I mean, I don't think we're going to hit that gap this week, ready. If we do, we got some big problems. That'd be insane. Tomorrow, we close the gap from 2 Sundays ago. That'd be funny. It'd be funny as long as I wasn't on the long side. Trying to catch a falling knife, that would suck. I prefer VWAP over FEG. We do have an FEG down here a little bit lower though. We have this one which completes 808, then next one 748 to about 737. So I feel like the ES is gonna try to push us down. Let's look at this real quick. I feel like the ES is going to try to test this wick down here. This wick around 56. See if we can get down there. We're not in an area where I'd want to put micros on for overnight, so not going to do that. Yeah, NQ is going sideways right now. Came down. It's like, all right, meet you in the middle, VWAP. I did my part. Now you come catch me. We do have the Russell still in the green at 1.9. All the MAs are on there too. I'd love just to see a big whoosh down. Just like sound effects and all. Daily open. Where is the daily open? Oh yeah, down here at 825. So just above where the VWAP is at the moment. So if the straights aren't open, what is making oil go down? Iran's already said they're not talking to the U.S. Trump told us a week and a half ago, we almost have a deal any moment. And here we are, still no deal. So. The oil he stole from Venezuela? Maybe. I guess that's a thought. That's a possibility. All that Venezuela oil. Yeah, that's crazy. Ukraine's going on a rampage. Man, they've been hitting Russia left and right with those drones. I really wonder how much Russia will take before it, pushes the red button. Says, all right, enough's enough. I don't know. Wardrobe. It's funny. Ooh. I forgot to put the plug in the Starlink. Gotta make sure I don't forget to do that. Ajay Love, appreciate that. Yeah, don't forget to use code Mike. Don't forget. Smash it. Use it. All that fun stuff. What time is it? 50 bucks isn't too much though. 50 bucks is easy to overcome. It's when you get down larger numbers. It's like, So don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, just boop that like button. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. And let's say this market will participate with me. Give me another setup. I need another setup. Yeah, tonight's been good to me so far. Only one losing trade. I don't know if I had 3 or 4 trades. First one was a loss. The rest of them made money. They were winners. Oh, hey, Ken, not a problem. You guys help me as well. Idiot Mike gets pushed back for a little bit. And I've been forced to look at the markets a little bit more, which has been good for my trading as well. Yeah, come on, VWAP. I'm starting to get antsy. I'm like, maybe I'll just trade down this VWAP. The moment I do that, we're going to get a rip up, I feel like. So, I don't know. It's like, do I smack it? ABC. Yeah, I can see that ABC on NQ. If we can break the B point down here, that would get us down below VWAP. If we did something like that, that'd be about 816. Just not a real clear one or clean one. Not a very clean move. I like my, oh, it is moving. Russell's still in the green. Russell's the only indice in the green at the moment. Nikkei is trying to pop back up. What are we going to do? Liquidity at 852. We don't have much. Like, we don't have very many contracts at 850, 852. Like, liquidity is pretty light on the books. The nearest to the upside liquidity we have that's over 40 is going to be 45 at 30,000. To the downside, we have some liquidity way down here. About 680-ish. We do have the regression channel still sloping up. Hey, if we flatten out the regression channel up here, I might then start to actively look for trades down towards the VWAP. I think that's going to be my MO. I want to see the regression channel flatten out here a little bit. Then I'll look for trades down towards the VWAP. That's what I'm thinking. You got cuts the last bullish 5 minute and a half. I can see that. We have PPI tomorrow. Watch PPI be the huge mover. PPI was just the appetizer today. So. No, I got VWAP at 29,800. I'm sorry. 29,821, not 800. So. And we do have oil now down 105. So oil's not holding up very well tonight. Now, I really like to see the Nikkei come down and challenge this gap support a little bit, but it's on its way back up here at the moment. See, they're trying to, you see all this choppiness on the 1 minute, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, choppiness. What you don't want to do when the market gets in the chop is chase the market. Long, short, long, short, long, short. You'll just sit there and bleed your account out. Your account will be like, poof, gone. So. This whole week has just been slow. Slow. We need to be able to hit the fast forward button. And the rewind button. That would be pretty slick. Yeah, don't trade the chop. The problem is we don't normally know that we're in the chop until we're already in it. In 7 minutes, I can place a trade. All right, very specific. Hey, Scott, why 7 minutes? What's significant about that? Well, then what usually happens in chop, at least for me, I get into a trade, I get chopped, I get stopped out, take another shot, get stopped out. I said, all right, let me flip it the other way. Get stopped out. And then I'm like, boop, boop, boop. I'm chasing the P&L trying to get it back. Gotta get it back is never been good for my account. Ever. Ever. All right, regression channel right now is still sloping to the upside. I don't really see any change in the angle of the regression channel. At least if it is, not by much. Yeah, gold was a banger tonight. Gold had a big move. Even if you got in on oil early enough, could have been a good move too. CL, crude oil. That was a pretty good move. It's to the downside, but I feel like they're short. It still would have been good. I am so glad I didn't short the NASDAQ. I fought the temptation back. I was really wanting to short it down to that VWAP. So glad I waited. We can flatten out this regression channel a little bit more. I am going to actively look for trades down towards that VWAP. Just got to be patient in the meantime. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to boop that lucky like button. Again, we're going to be giving away an Apex account tonight. Hey, finite, that's not a bad idea. Hey, but finite, so what time do you consider for the Asia high and low? Went down, bottom regression is, oh yeah, now it is. Hey, good eye on that, Mongo. Yeah, it's starting to try to shift a little bit. Need a little bit more of a shift though. And I can jump on it and bam, smack it. I do think the market wants that VWAP, but just because I think it doesn't mean it's true. Yeah, more oil getting to the markets. I mean, the way oil is trading tonight sounds like it. I mean, now since the U.S. controls the Strait of Hormuz, as the president said today, that what I was short today when that tweet came out on stream. It's like, come on, sweep, closed it. That was nice. Hey, hello. What's up? Yeah, finite. So I wasn't sure how you handle it because there is a little overlap between Asia and London, just like there is between London and New York. Yeah, I was 14. Hey Kim, you gotta admit that'd be pretty. If you're the captain of the vessel, driving through the straits, I'd be like, oh boy, please. Let's hurry up and get through. Oh man. Hey, stay broke. What's up? Yeah, trying to be invisible in one of those large boats. It's not like a little dinghy you're just driving through there. Think about taking a swing at this. Look, that regression channel now is flat. Think about taking a swing at it. Now what I'd like to see, before it drops, come back up here a little bit. And I may look for a short. Hey, look at all that stuff. You son of a biscuit eater. You're gonna go. You're gonna go without me. Gosh, that sucks. I was hoping for a little bit more of a pop-up so I could smack it. Watch, you're gonna go right to VWAP too, just to kind of poke. Stupid market. coming up on 7 minutes. Yeah, stupid market. I want to short it. Look, we got the regression channel now sloping down, but I cannot short it in good faith. Well below the zero line. We know what happened. I'll short down here. We're going to bounce to the EMA, stop me out, and then go down. So either got to wait for us to bounce up here or just sit on my hands and say, you know what? I missed it. Let's see. If I don't get in it, it'll be a big nasty candle to the downside. You took it and you're regretting it? Come on. Give it to me. I want to go back over and check on the Nikkei. Yeah, maybe. Hey, could this be set up an ABC pattern? Let's see, this high right here would have to hold, but or something like that. That would bring us right down towards gap support. And we got about 35 minutes till HSI opens. Kospi is trying to go back up a little bit. Yeah, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Not necessarily, not necessarily they teach it, but I do pay attention. Yep, Wyckoff. Look for the spring. Why won't they just go down? Like somebody's holding it up. All right, hey, we're gonna come back in the EMAs. I might get a shot after all. Might get a shot. Come on, get up here. Get it. Where's it? Yes. Yes, barely missed that point of control up there. What about NASDAQ? How far did we get? Not even close. Not even close. All right. Give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't really bite me. Hopefully it doesn't really bite me. Didn't mean to, but I clicked the button. It was delayed. Clicked the button again, then I had 2 on. It's not really what I wanted. Emotional moving average. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny right there. Emotional moving average. I didn't go through all my charts. God, that's gonna hurt too. That's gonna hurt. We still haven't hit that EMA yet. Or I'm sorry, the view app. That one hurt. Click the mouse and then I didn't see it pop up. I heard it, clicked it again, and I got 2 on it. Yeah. Roll stress indicator. Hey, the boss. Good evening. And we're at the upper regression channel. I'm thinking about taking a swing at this. Where's VWAP at? 820. All right. Let's see. EMAs are cross bullish, but right here off the upper regression channel, it's going to get back what I lost in the last trade plus some. That'd be fantastical. I want to get a little more out of it. Move my stop in the money just in case. Just in case we get whipped right back up. Come on. Remember, we're looking for a VWAP. VWAP's below 824. So I'm trying to front run this right here on the VWAP for my target. So come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Maybe. Please. Pretty please. Sugar on top. We are getting a little stretched away from the EMAs. We might snap back towards the EMA. Hopefully it's not a big snap back all the way back up. That would suck. Hey, there we go. New session highs, baby. Let's get it. Here comes a VWAP touch. Come on, just smooch it. Give it a little kiss. Come on. We did hit the opening price. Come on. Man, I really wish that last trade didn't hesitate on me. I clicked, I didn't see nothing happen. Clicked it again. Next thing I know, I got 2 contracts. ES is right there by the bands, but ES range is too tight for me tonight. ES, we've had a total of 7-point range from high to low. You can see we're coming up towards the bands, but it's not enough movement in it tonight for me to want to play it. Come on, a little bit lower. Let's hit that VWAP real quick. Yeah, daily opening price right here. 825. Come on, push it. There we go. All right, we got the VWAP touch. VWAP did get tested. Yeah. Crude oil is down 108 now. So crude oil is getting smacked out here. And crude oil spiked all the way down to 81.90-ish. Got chopped out in today's AM session. Yeah, the boss. I talked to a lot of people who got chopped up. I didn't trade any after the stream today. Went swimming with my daughter in the pool. It was nice. Yeah, CPI data. CPI, we had a pretty fast move. I just didn't hold it though. Oh, good job on that, Mongo. Made the short to VWAP. Let's get it. All right, so now look, I was looking to target VWAP. Now what do I do? All right, are we going to bounce up and out of it? I don't know that I want to play that trade. Even if we do go up from here, I don't know that I want that trade. So I'll probably sit on my hands for a little bit. Bounce rate 10 to 30 points. Yeah, I feel like we're too far away from it now, Raj. For me. I like to be right there at it. So it's like, eh. All right, Nikkei did go a little higher, so we can get rid of that potential ABC pattern, but MACD is trying to roll over up here. Possibly is trying to go back up. Nikkei or the HSI is going to open up here in 25 minutes. Hey, I have White Boy. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to boop that lucky like button. So we get 100 likes. We got over 100 people in here. Smash it. Massage it. Whatever it takes to run it up. Just do it, and do it. Please and thank you. Out 20 point. Nice, Raj. Good deal. Raj is over there slaying it. All right, look, we're bouncing back up towards the upper part of the regression channel. What I'd love to see if we can push above the upper regression channel just a little bit, get a trade detector bubble show up, and then bam, smack it. That's what I'm thinking about. Hey, and guys and gals, the Apex account that Raj just won the other day passed. 100K account passed one day. So we didn't get up here at the upper channel, so even if we come down, doesn't bother me one way or the other because we didn't make it to the entry area I was looking for. Hey, Chris, good evening. What's up? What's up? Where's we at? That is a fact. Raj rarely wins. And he's always out here contributing. Can we get up there? Want to see it, get it. Wow, oil's still going down. Oil's down $1.23. Is it taking out the low yet? I don't think so. No, not yet. It's trying to get down there. Wow, low's about 19 points lower than where we're at. For 19 ticks. Hey, Atomic. Good evening. Guys and gals, don't forget, it's not too late to boop that lucky like button. Get it. J-Lo, you talking about Raj? Raj did win. Not tonight. I don't know if it was last night or the night before. Man, my days like run together now. But the account that Raj did win just the other day, he's already passed. Yell at you all day today. Yeah, working in the heat. I don't know. We got quite a bit of heat down here in Florida. I was out in the pool today, kind of. But I was going to run around. We had a pretty big slide, climb up the slide, and over and over and over and over and over again. South Carolina. Hey, J-Lo, so what's the temperature in South Carolina today? We're at this upper regression channel here. Trying to debate, do I want to take a swing at this? I don't know that I do yet. I don't know that I do. They want to, there we go. Might want to here in a moment. I'm liking this. I'm probably going to take a swing at this. Let's see. Let's see. So see if we get a return back down to 50 EMA. Just a quick little scalp. Nothing crazy. We're above the regression channel right here, so I don't mind taking a swing at this. Looks bullish. Oh, congrats, you guys did get us to 100 likes. Come on, just please. Hey, Eric, what's up? Good evening. $100 in the pocket. Let's get it. Look, we're working on bar number 8 right now. Are we going to get a 9 count up here as well? We might. I didn't sit here and hang around for the 9 count, though. I got out. I got in a little bit earlier. Move that down a few more ticks. Just barely missed my target bounce. So now I'm going to see if I move my target down a little bit. See if we can actually break a little bit further below here. There we go. See, that's exactly what I was thinking. Because now when we come back down, we should go a little bit lower. That's why I moved my target down. I'm loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Look at the ES. ES trying to get down these bands. ES is on the verge of taking out session lows. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Say it ain't so. Hey, Atomic, so they kind of balance each other out. I hear a lot of effort. A lot of effort. Trying to push the market down. We're not really moving. We may be trying to snap back up. I don't know. Hey, Raj, it's funny because emotions, people are like, after you trade it for a while, you're good. It's easy for you. No, I still get emotional sometimes. So I just call the market stupid market. Getting faked out too much. Today was faking out a lot of people. That market is not easy when it's just chopping back and forth. You know, it toys with people's emotions. One thing I've learned though, when you're in chop, just get a trade and just let it wiggle around. Don't keep trying to chase it. You end up losing more money. There we go. We're going to try to come at the view up again. Hey, ES is down in the bands, but like I said earlier, we don't have enough movement on the ES yet tonight to where I really want to trade this. We might be at 8 points, maybe 7 to 8 points on the ES. Not worth it to me yet. Hey, Bedevil, what's up? What's up? That's a whole lot of knocking. Not a whole lot of movement for the amount of effort. I don't mind seeing the ES just flush down, but hey, computers are great when they work. When they don't, they're a son of a beep. And leaving early this week, it's not a bad idea. Yeah, copy trading, you definitely got to pay attention. All right, here we go. We're coming up on the opening price. We tagged the opening price once again. And almost hit the VWAP once again as well. And trying to use it for back testing. Now look at the ES. ES is down here at the third band. Does she bounce? Let's go look. And Nikkei is not really coming down as much as I was hoping. About 14 minutes till HSI opens up. Interesting. I do have a video. It's on the second channel of Senate the Regression channel. The Mark, I do. Hey, if you want to, I've been thinking about work on the Delta video coming up. But if you click that link that Nightbot just posted, I would link you to the video of the 9 count, how to get it for free, what it is, how it's calculated, all that fun stuff. Build all your PCs. Hey, Raj, I think I could build one, but I never have. I think I could. Yeah, I got a second channel. I was going to stream that one at night, but I haven't. Lately, I've only posted shorts on it for a while. I don't know. I like trading Asia. Asia and me are friends. Most of the time. Most of the time. Hey, Yoda, what's up? What's up? Good evening. I'm doing great. So far, knock on wood, one losing trade tonight only. That means I'm probably due for a losing trade, so I got to be careful. I don't want to give unnecessary money back to the markets. So I'm going to try to play it tight the rest of the night. We'll see. The markets were not easy to trade today. Hey, look over here at the ES. ES bouncing off that third band. Just we don't have enough range for me to want to trade the ES tonight, so it's unfortunate. Testing AI signals. Hey, find out how are the AI signals working. Did you ever think about testing them in a sim account versus a prop account or a live account first? Or maybe you've already done that. Huh. Was changing all the time. How I manage my prop accounts. Might be able to do that. Oh yeah. There you go. The market was doing the opposite. I mean, to be fair, if it's any type of trend following system, this week has been tough for that. No, hey, I do remember Nadex. I never traded binary options though. Hey, Daryl did. Daryl Martin used to have a whole thing on binary options. He was big in that. I remember seeing him around making the rounds back in the day. Way before he ever had Apex. So. My drink's almost gone. Are we gonna come on down? Look, ES trying to come back down now. We got a small little bounce off the third band, and now look, we're coming back down, challenging the low. Oil still down $1. Let's see. Push it. Hey, Kim, you can make $300 a day with micros. Pocket options. I don't even know what pocket options are. Hey, J Loves, what's pocket options? I've never heard that term. No, you can do it with 2. You can make it. You can make that much money with 2, Kim. Oh, binary? Yeah. So I didn't trade binary options. All right. I just never heard the term pocket. That's like when the guy worked next to me. Come over and ask me for some magic zipper. Like, magic zipper? What are you talking about? I thought he had a problem with his pants or something. Something about Velcro. Yes, a magic zipper? Oh, man. If we take the low, hold on. Hey, finite. When you say the low, let's just be clear. Are you talking about the low way down? Oops. Way down here at 780? Okay. I was like, because if we break the low, we'll definitely be below VWAP. All right, 820. I can see that. That makes more sense. Hey, look, we'll probably try to make a return back down towards this area. 805-ish. Huh. Come on, Mr. Market. Also, don't forget, it's not too late to push the like button. We're going to be giving away Apex account tonight. Any account size, your choice. EOD drawdown or intraday trailing drawdown, whatever you choose. Oh no, it can be a low. I just didn't know if you meant low of the day. So it is a low. I just wasn't sure if you're talking about low of the day. Let's click 5 micros. Oops. That would have been bad. I'd say a majority of my accidental trades don't work out. All right, there we go. Breaking down a little bit. I want to swing at it. Do I want the swing at? Let's go look at Nikkei and stuff real quick. How to enter the giveaway? You gotta be signed up to the email list down below. Once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. Click on that link to confirm your email, and then I'll give out a key phrase. Nightbot's gonna pick out some random winners out of the chat. Then I'll pick out some regular winners as well. Put everybody in a duck race. We'll see who's got the fastest duck out there. Again, we'll be doing the giveaway tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and then Friday morning on stream. So, what is that? 4 more. We got 4 more Apex accounts to give away for this week. We've given out an account every single stream this week, Sunday night all the way till the last stream on Friday. Yeah, it's actually smart. It's actually really smart to do. No, hey Jesse, I mean, like one time I was on the phone with my friend. I said, "Hey, look, he's having trouble trading." I said, "Watch, this is what's working for me. I'll go in the sim. I'm just clicking buttons and showing." I realized it was my funded account. I was like, "Oh my gosh." I lost $600 just like that. I was like, "You gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding me." Couldn't believe it. Again, because I was done trading for the day. And I was just like, watch this. Boom, boom. Uh-oh. Oh, man, I was so mad. And you know what? I think the initial loss was $600. Then I think I placed one more trade trying to get it back. I lost even more. Oh, man, that sucked. Or you mean to do one contract and it fires off 5 or 10. And then that usually doesn't work either. From a cat on the keyboard? That's bad. I lost a lot from an accident. So, oh man, that was horrible too. So I was at Disney with my wife and my daughter. We were standing in line for the Frozen ride, and it goes inside of a building. I was like, "Oh, let's see the market. Oh, I'm gonna get in." From my phone, boom, doesn't happen. Boom, boom, nothing happens. Boom, 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 nothing happens. My wife says, "Hey, I don't have no internet." I was like, put my phone in my pocket. I get off the ride. All those orders filled. Somehow when it got internet connection somewhere else in line, they all went through. All went through. Hey, so I didn't even look at my phone again for like, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. On the NASDAQ, getting smoked. After the ride, I was like, "Oh, let's see what the market's doing." Whoa. I was like, "Oh my goodness." And then I'm just like, "Oh, please bounce, please bounce, please bounce, please bounce, please bounce, please bounce." It just kept going down. So that sucked. That was about an $18,000 loss. Yeah. Needless to say, we don't go on that ride. You'll lose internet inside the little building thing. We don't go. So we don't go on that ride when I'm still looking to trade. Refuse. So if I'm done for the day, then we can go on that ride. Other than that, no. So yes, broke the low, popped back up a little bit. Yes, went down trying to pop up. Hmm. So we do got a 9 count right here. Are we going to pop back up? 9 count right there. Do we pop? Do we pops back up? Oh, you can actually see the stop loss orders that were hit. Can you guys see right here? Right here was the stop loss orders being hit on that move down. And again, right there, same thing on the ES. Yes, we had some stop loss orders hit too. See right here, that red line? That's actual stop loss orders being hit. Yeah, we're barely below VWAP right now on the NASDAQ. So. Yeah, in your eyes, not your mind. See 780, let's go. 780 is right around the low of the day. Let's see if we can get down there. I'd love to see it. Trying to be cautious. I'm due for a losing trade, so I'm trying to spread out. We had first trade of the night on stream, loser. Next series of trades, all winners. So I'm due for another loss. So I'm trying to be careful. I'd like to get another handful of trades in, but I want them to be on my terms, not the markets. Well, so it's funny because if you look at it, well, here's what you want to think about. You know, dollar per point wise, it's probably close, but you don't want to think about it like that. Look at the NASDAQ. Actually, I have to do this. Let me, look right here. So NASDAQ, the average range on 14 days is 636 points. So if we pull over the little calculator real quick, all right, we go 636 times 20. That's good for about $12,000 move per day on average. If we look at the ES average is 93. 93 times 50 is an average move per day of $4,600. So you can't just go dollar for dollar per tick. You gotta think about what the average move is when they move. So. I'm trying to rip it back up. Getting a pretty good rejection off that lower regression channel with the 9 count. Now, if I'm going to go long, I want to see the regression channel start to flatten out here a little bit or even angle up. And then I'll start looking for longs. If it doesn't happen, I'm going to wait. At least that's what I hope I'm going to do. Yeah, trade what you see, not what you think. Hey, Larry Pesavento had a book. That's where I learned the butterfly pattern from. The trade what you see, not what you think. That might be the title of the book. Now I'm kind of curious. Oh no, it says trade what you see, how to profit from pattern recognition. All right. I got that book right when it came out. Is that the book? What year is that? Let's date myself real quick. Kind of curious. Let's see what the Google says. Yeah, November 2007. It sounds about right. It fits my timeline fairly well. So I've been trading since 2005. All right, hey, look, we are above the upper regression channel. So if I want to look for a counter trend scalp, I can. Do I want to? I kind of do. And the fact that we're pushed way above these EMAs, that would have been good up there. I just didn't swing at it. What I don't like for that counter trend bounce back down is, look, we have Delta building on the push. So I prefer to see this last peak start having less Delta. So let's see if we get back up there. It really depends on which way you like to trade. The account where you can get the payout the quickest is normally the 25K accounts. You have to make less to pass, less to get over the buffer. But most people are like, nah, I want to be able to trade bigger size. Well, bigger size is great, but you'll blow up a lot more too. I mean, I really want to swing at that. Let's see if we get back up here. VIX said new low day. Yeah, VIX was getting smoked today. VIX like, nah, I'm good. I mean, when the VIX gets really low, ranges normally do tighten up. I might be looking to sell this. What does that 30-minute look like? Might want to be careful there. Because if we do look, here's value area low. We've already been below it. We get back above it. I don't like the point of control as target number 1. It's too close to value area high. But maybe this area right here about 877. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready to swing at it. Probably could have got a little something out of it, but that's all right. It's all good. I don't have to get every single move. Even though I sometimes want to. Let's not lie. A lot of times I want to. Now look, the more time we spend above this regression channel, the more we're going to see that regression channel start to slowly go from like this to like this to like this, and then we'll see if it starts pointing up. But as we start to flatten out, I'll be more inclined to look for longs. Hey Larry, what's up? What's up? The new pilot account? No, I didn't see it, Manuel. The new pilot account. Let's go look at it. Let's see. Pilot account. Oh, that's not bad. It's not a bad account. I like the accounts I have right now better, but I'll put it in Ninja. Hey, so we're working on bar number 9 right now. Let's see if we get a 9 count over here. If we close too low, we won't get the 9 count. So dang it. All right, so hopefully you guys were able to hear that secret. That was all the great secrets you need to know about the trade detector bubble. Hopefully you guys were able to read the lips. Those of you that could, congrats. Hey, so what I was saying about the trade detector bubble. So to me, it doesn't really matter green or red. It doesn't matter. But it's more of how's the market already moving? Like right here, the market's trying to move up, you get red. Well, we'd expect it to go down if they're trying to sell it. However, when you look over here on the ES, for instance, right over here, right there, look, they're trying to push it up. The fact that they cannot hold above it, well, guess what? We're probably going to go back the other way. They're going to punish the people trying to get long at the top of the range. People are FOMOing into that entry. Also, buy market orders. How can you also trigger a buy market order if you're not buying the market? Could that not also be people that shorted and they have their stop as they run up, start hitting the stop loss? So then they have to become a buyer. Then you get the little capitulation move and then bing, back down. So yeah, short stops. Exactly. So it's all about the context of, I don't really care about the color of the bubble. It's more of where's the location of it. Now, if we are coming down, if we're screaming down, like right now on the NASDAQ, right here, if we had any color bubble down here, green or red, green, hey, buyers trying to step in, they're going to push it up. Red, they're probably capitulation and then they're still going to pop up. It's all about context. The fact that we're going down and we get the bubble, I want to look to see, are we pausing and maybe trying to get on the other side of the bubble and then smack it, take it back the other way. That's the way I like to use it, but that's the short version. Oops. And I'm the type of person where I don't have a problem. You know, people say, oh, the market's, you know, you want to pull back. It's pulling back. Nobody will buy. I have no problems buying when the market's going down. I have no problem selling when the market's going up. Most of you guys are like, Mike, you can see the market's going up. Why are you selling? I go either way. Like, I really don't care. I'm just looking to what makes sense to me. I'm looking for, you know, inefficiencies in the market for quick little scalps back the other way. So that's the way I look at it. I have to change the chart color. It's so bad. Well, here's the problem with that. I'm partially colorblind. So green and red candles, I can't tell the difference most of the time. I have to really look at it. I really need to change the color of the IR delta momentum indicator. I just haven't got around to it yet. So, hey, real estate, what's up? What's up? I don't really need an indicator. I can trade with no indicators on the chart. There was a time period where I was anti any indicator. Then I just realized that that's foolish. Indicators just indicating a condition to you. And it can do it much more efficiently. Like computers are way more efficient than humans. Regardless how smart you are. Like just computer can do it better. But I've told this story many times too. So I was a losing trader and still trying to figure out this stock market game. No legacy accounts are done. No more legacy accounts for the time being. Emmanuel, I'm loving my new monitors. Love them. Love them. Love them, love them, love them, love them. They're so much better on my eyes. My eyes aren't nearly as tired at the end of the day. So I'm loving them. But so here's a story. So the Scotch trade back in the day, I could only add volume and price to the chart. That's it. No other indicators. And my wife used to love going to bookstores. Well, I wasn't really a book person growing up. You know, like I said, I had a rough, I grew up in rough times. We'll call it that. Rough situations. And a lot of my friends didn't read books. Anyhow, so I was trying to figure out something to do. So I started looking at trading books. I was trying to figure out how to trade. And I came across this book and it was talking about the MACD indicator. I was reading it a little bit. I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. I was like, that's why I'm not making money. I don't have the MACD indicator. So I bought Telecharts 2000, which was a charting package. Had all these indicators. I bought all their indicators. They had special indicators and stuff. Yeah, I still lost money. So an indicator just indicates a condition. You got to know how to trade it. So you can make money with MACD, but you got to know how to trade it. If you don't have the fundamentals down, you're still going to lose money, is the moral of the story. If you have good fundamentals, you can make anything work. I wanted to change it. So I got sick. So on the stream, normally you guys would see me. I'm looking over here at the charts because you guys were seeing the chart, the 32-inch monitor over here. If I tried to stream my TV, it was fuzzy. So I couldn't stream that. And the camera, I had to rig it up to hang down the TV during the stream. And then when I was over, I'd have to take it off every day. Pain in the butt. Now the way I got the monitors, the upper monitor, I tilt down. So now I got all usable space. I can use everything on both screens. So nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. So much better. It's more gooder. And look, we're doing a little choppy chop just like we've been doing the last few nights too. Chop, 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 chop. Hey, dollars. I bought 3 or 4 stands. 3 or 4. Took them all back, but the ones I got. The one I have is a double stand that has the arms. You got to adjust the tension. You can move the monitors all around and stuff. Pretty slick. They work good. The problem is I really need to slide them down a little bit and to be able to loosen them up off the desk. I have to take everything off to get to it to move it. Oh, so that's going to stink. So look, we do got the regression channel kind of going sideways now. So look, now I'm favoring more longs down towards the lower portion of this regression channel. We get down here, maybe looking for a little scalps on the way up. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I love them. I wish I would have done it a long time ago. But the picture's a lot sharper. than what I had on the, which is funny because the TV was 8K. So I asked AI, I was like, hey, why do my eyes feel less? No, actually I asked the question first. Will the monitors I have give me less eye strain than the previous setup with the 8K TV and two 32-inch monitors? It said, absolutely. So then I said, why? It said on the curved monitor, because it brings the edges out, your eyes don't have to look over as much. So you're not having to focus in and out as much. So your eyes don't get as much eye strain throughout the day. And what would happen after I trade all day, you guys can't see the layout of my house, but where the couch is in the living room, by the end of the day, I couldn't read the temperature of what the AC was in the house. Now I can see it perfect, clear as can be. At the end of the day, like tonight before I go to bed, I can look at it, I can see it just perfect. Where after trading all day and streaming, it was just hard on my eyes. So this has been way better on my eyes for sure. Way better. Oh. Jesse's trying to come on. Jesse's gonna come on. All right, let's see if we can get him on here without him. Shh, don't tell him. He's gonna try to sneak in. I'm gonna see if I can stop him. I know how he snuck in now. I figured it out. Figured you out, Jesse. Let's see if I can stop him. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh. I think I clicked the wrong thing. I think it's kind of funny. Oh, I can hear you through my speaker, but I can't hear it through my headset. All right. I gotta get used to this power button. All right. All right, let's see what Jesse has to say. Let's see. I don't think they heard you today. I figured out how it was getting you in. No, it wasn't. All right, here's Jesse.
All right, am I here now?
Hmm.
Okay, there I am.
I had to delay you for all those sneaking in attacks.
I'm super pumped about this trade. I'm up like $400. My target's at 858. And then I glance over at Replicanto and I'm like, oh, I'm in sim test instead of sim 101 and it didn't take the trade. Oh, man.
That's funny.
So frustrated. Oh, order filled. There it goes. Dang. I can't believe that. $489.
Hey, you can't believe it. If you can't believe it, look at your P&L.
Yeah. Jeez.
I'm going to go refill my drink real quick. I'll let you hold down the fort for a minute.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back.
All right, can I get a show of hands? Who thinks I should delete this second sim account that I never use? I never use it, and then it does this to me. Oh. What's up, everybody? Good to see you, Steve. Ash Tree, Eric. JC Lakefront. Lakefront property, I like it. Oh, Finite had 866. Did we get there yet? That's close. Hold on. Did we get 66? Oh, almost. You might get it. That's the, what is that, the overnight high? That's the overnight high, isn't it? Yeah, okay. I see what you're targeting. I mean, it's acting like it wants to get it. You might get this. What's up, Chris? BK, what's up? Oh, Finite, don't be positive. The moment we're positive about something happening, it just, you know, we all know how that goes. You might have better luck saying, I think it'll get there, maybe. Or you could do some reverse psychology on the NQ and say, there's no way you're getting there. There's no way you're getting there. Oh, what's up, Elevated Life? Good to see you. Who am I missing here? DSAT? DSAT? I can't see that far. I need one of them fancy curved monitors Mike is talking about. Keep it for, well, that's the problem. Jay loves keep it for backup. That's what I use it sometimes to test strategies with and things like that. But every once in a while, I forget to switch it back. And when I close Ninja, it saves my workspace that way, right? So then I open Ninja back up later. The sim test account is the one selected on my chart. And I get all pumped up about a trade. And then, man. Yeah. What's up, Kim? Good to see ya. Mongo, good to see ya. Manuel, in the house. You took it at 865.50. Good job. Oh, did it hit the 866? I don't know. It looks like a tick away to me. Hold on, let me zoom in. Yeah, it did. Hit it right to the tick. Nice trade. I still can't believe I didn't get that move. Oh, man. Such a bummer. So I got these, remember, for those of you who were here this morning, welcome back, Mike.
Oh, welcome.
I bought those 3 Lucid Pro accounts because I decided, you know, I've got 2 funded accounts with Lucid, and I said, you know what? Let's get serious. Let's just get 3 more, and if we're gonna go live, let's go live with 5 accounts. I kind of made this mistake not doing that with TPT. Actually, it was out of my hands. They kind of said, "Hey, congratulations, we're moving you to live," before I could get my last 2 accounts. So this time I'm kind of planning for that in advance, and I want to make sure I've got 5 accounts when they move me to live, if they do. So I ended up doing 6K on those accounts, and then this trade was supposed to be on those 3 accounts. I'm going to try to pass them tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not going to push it, but I'm going to try.
Hey, DSAT. I think he's talking about the Delta. It's Delta. The one I'm using is only for Ninja. I don't know if TradingView has a similar one or not. It's a Delta indicator, not Gamma.
Yeah, but speaking of, it's not Gamma, but speaking of Gamma, boy, Deep Charts has their new Deep Gamma. It's got down at the bottom of the chart, you can turn on the actual friggin' options flow, and it looks like that. It shows you the positive and the negative option flow.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It's pretty slick.
That sounds pretty cool.
If they would open up their platform to let me write my own indicators, I'd be all over it. I would switch from Ninja, but they've got it locked down and you can only use their indicators on it at this point. which is they've got a lot of good indicators. They got the big trade detector like we use. I mean, they got all the basic stuff, of course. But I've got some special stuff I would have to have.
Hey, they don't have a lifetime license, do they? Isn't it all subscription based?
No. I think they have a, I can't, they're trying to move toward, excuse me, they're trying to move towards a monthly kind of payment thing. But right now it's 3 month, 6 month, or it used to be lifetime. Like you buy it once and you own it, but I think they might've gotten rid of that.
Yeah. I think I looked at it recently. I didn't see it, but
let me go
look. A lot
look.
of time.
I think I still have their website open. Let me see. Because back when I first looked at it, it was like 3 months, 6 month, or just buy it. Okay, deep chart pricing. Let's see. Yeah, they got rid of it. Oh, and they have monthly now. Oh no, it says coming soon on the monthly. So they got 3.
I don't like monthly subscriptions. I hate it.
They got the annual, and the pro package is only $94 a month. I mean,
yeah, I really just buy it for the year. Like I buy it. I really just buy it and have it. I don't like.
Yeah. So by the way, their pro package for 1 year is $94 a month, but that includes all the gamma stuff. I mean, these guys are crushing, man. They're killing it. I'm telling you, cool. The minute they open up the platform and allow us to make our own indicators, I'm probably gonna be making the switch over. We'll see.
Candlestick Cowboy. How many commercials did I just watch?
Yeah. Get YouTube Premium. That's what I have. I don't ever see any ads.
You might be talking about your deep charts talk, or maybe it was ads on YouTube. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I like deep charts a lot. Had to give them a little plug.
I haven't used them. I haven't seen them.
I haven't used it either. I've just watched a ton of videos, and I like the guys behind it. So
that Fabio guy's done pretty good in the Robbins Cup.
Yeah, I like Andrea too. I like both those guys' personalities a lot. So I love what they're doing over there. I mean, it's, their platform, the chart trader kind of looks and feels like what we're used to with Ninja, but then it's got all the Bookmap MBO stuff built into it too. If you get the
so how do you get the data?
You got to get DX feed, or what's the other one? There's 2 that provide MBO data. I can't remember the other one.
Beyonce, he has it for like 2 days now.
Oh yeah, sweet.
I've never used it. Their bubble chart.
Yeah. The one thing beyond, maybe you can answer this, but I know some prop firms are starting to offer deep charts as the charting platform.
My Fund of Futures does.
But here's the problem. Prop firm data is only level 1, which means the level 2 stuff's not going to work. And it's definitely doesn't include MBO data from DX feed. So like the heat map and icebergs and stop runs and all that stuff wouldn't be included either. So you're basically just getting the basic charting platform, right?
Hey, so how much does the data cost per month? I
don't remember. I looked into that. It's similar to what I'm paying for all my Bookmap stuff, but they also don't have the market pulse type stuff with sounds, and I need sounds for sure. So they're missing some things I would need to make the switch over. Because I don't have the screen real estate to add a third platform. Like I got too much going on already. So
what can you trade with it? Like, can you trade on the chart?
Yeah, it's just like Ninja. Yeah, it's got the chart trader and everything.
Is there a brokerage account you can link to, or?
Yeah, they have most of the main brokers. Yeah. Hey, you know what's cool about their friggin' bracket orders? You can set, like in the chart trader, you can set what your like 1 to 2, like your risk to reward that you want on your trade.
Yeah.
And then when you drag the target, it moves the stop also. Like that puts them both to the exact 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. That's pretty slick. I like that. Or something like I haven't used it, but I remember seeing something like that. Yeah, the idea. So they got some really cool stuff, but there's some missing pieces that I would need to switch from either Ninja or Bookmap.
I'm curious. You got me curious now. I wonder what brokers they are linked with.
And I like the gamma stuff built right in too, because you guys may know by now, I've got vol signals, spot gamma, and Mentor Q. It's like, come on, how much stuff do I really need over here?
Okay. I see the data, but I don't see the brokers.
Yeah, Jay Loves, we're talking about deep charts. It's on that same page, Mike. It has a brokers tab. It shows you which brokers for live trading column.
Yeah, interactive brokers, all I see.
Yeah, well, they're definitely not going to have Tradeovate because they're a competitor.
Well, no. I didn't know if they'd have like AMP and stuff.
Let's
see it. I'll just go to AMP's website and see. I was kind of curious if they have it where you can branch out.
I don't think they have AMP yet. No, they don't. They don't. I mean, they're still working on partnerships and stuff, but. Yeah, so
AMP's website just to see.
Yeah, so they've got, for trading wise, they got MetaTrader, interactive brokers, and then a bunch of stuff I've never heard of. They're probably European countries.
Yeah, I've never heard of the other ones.
Yeah.
Interactive broker is like ridiculous.
Oh yeah, Rhythmic. Sorry, I totally spaced. So Rhythmic has MBO data, and so does DX feed. So you could get either one of those if you want all the special features. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna keep my eye on it. I'll let you guys know if I make a change. Hey, what's up, John?
Hey, Roger Stan, what's up? Oh, he said with Lucid Trading you can use deep charts. Hey, do they give you a free license with a prop firms for deep charts, or?
I don't know how that works. Let me go. I'm signed into Lucid. Let me go check it out. Let's see. So I guess, how do you just add account? No, I don't want to do that. Let me go to FAQs.
Hey, range on the ES, we're up to 9.25 points.
All right. I don't even have an ES chart anymore on my screens. I don't even watch it anymore. Ever since it fell out of sync with NQ, I just don't watch it anymore.
Oh no, I love the ES.
I'm sure it'll come back into sync with it, but for now it just was taking up space, and I don't trade it anyways. So
yeah, see I tried to link my MyFunded Futures accounts, and I was gonna try out deep charts a couple weeks ago, but you have to buy the account with the deep charts thing.
Yeah, you can't add. You can't switch it later.
I didn't know if if it was one of the things where it still worked, but
okay, here we go. I'm on Lucid's FAQ for supported platforms. They got
Bob,
NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, TradingView, and then the Rhythmic ones. You got MotiveWave, Quant Tower, TradeC, Sierra, Jigsaw, Bookmap, Atos, RTrader Pro, Multicharts. They don't list deep charts yet.
Atos looks pretty good. Or Taz.
Yeah,
however you say it.
I tried that one out once, but it was above my head because coming from the NinjaTrader world, it was going to be too complex for me to relearn a whole new platform.
Well, I had to help somebody figure out how to set up their prop account with it.
Oh yeah.
So I mowed in, like, I don't know where I'm even going. But hey, he was showing me the footprint charts they had, and they were clean. Like their footprint charts were really, really sharp. Like, I don't know, it was pretty good.
John says, why not port my indicators to TradingView? Because TradingView doesn't have tick data. And for me, the tick per tick data is super important when calculating things like, the trade detector bubbles. Even the volume profile and VWAP and stuff isn't precise. And certainly the delta that we all know and love. I mean, TradingView does its best, but it's like, what's the word I'm looking for, Mike? It starts with a C. I don't remember the word.
No, hey, John, I think you can get to tick data on higher levels of subscription. I think.
Maybe if you have the desktop, but not web. I don't think web could handle it.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, because you can get desktop too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's it.
You can't run tick data through like a website. You know what I mean? It's too heavy, I think. I'm just speculating.
I don't know. We're gonna find out. I get me curious. Let's see features.
But anyways, that's the primary reason, John. But essentially, yeah, I mean, I could use ChatGPT to convert my C# indicators over to whatever TradingView uses. Might be the same. I don't know.
And they have tick-based intervals.
Yeah, it's intervals is the gotcha.
Yeah.
So, and even their Renko bars they're still time-based. It's not true Renko bars. So I would have to change my whole style of trading probably. I mean, I could probably get my charts pretty close, but
John trades with the Magic 8 Ball and Yahtzee dice.
hey, whatever works.
You gotta make sure you yell Yahtzee.
Bingo. No.
It's 10 o'clock. I'm trying to be patient. I feel like the next trade I place is gonna be a loss. My first trade was a loser that had a series of winners. I'm like, I said if we flip that regression channel, I wouldn't mind looking for longs, but I just somehow missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can flip a coin, Bob. That works. Flip a coin.
Yeah.
Wait, how does this thing keep landing on tails? The market only goes up. I gotta sell it. What's going on here? Trade on Tradivate Web. You can still lose on the ES. Just, the range has contracted. There's still 45 points of range or so today, which is almost $2,500.
Eric says, congrats on my PI. Do you mean maybe he means PNL or my payout request maybe? Yeah, thank you, Eric. I mean, 2 days in a row max payout, that's nice, right? I've had a few weeks of downtime when it comes to getting paid, so that feels good.
Hey, where's the other accounts at tonight now?
Nowhere, because I took that stupid trade on the wrong sim account, so I'm
Oh, so you have nothing on them yet?
Nothing, no.
Oh.
Yeah, no problem, Eric. I got it. I figured it out. And thank you.
That's always good getting payouts. Payouts are good. Oil's got clapped today.
Look at that drop it had yesterday. So it ripped all the way up and then boom, straight down.
Hey, Kim, you can take as many trades as you want. It's not a big deal. They won't bother it. So. Dust off the candles. You want to slap the NASDAQ? Not me yet. I'm not ready to slap it yet. Wait for the regression channel to calm down a bit.
Do I still use Apex? No. I haven't traded with Apex for a while. I might give it a shot again someday, but Apex and I don't. Well, now that they have end of day drawdown, I might. Well, they have end of day drawdown, but with daily loss limit. So it's always something that gets me. It's always something. That's why I've been so good with these Lucid accounts, because you can do no daily loss limit for a little bit extra money. So I get a 150K account, no daily loss, and end of day drawdown. It's the perfect combination for me, for my style of trading. So
I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship with DLL. It saved me, so I like it, but I hate when it cuts me off.
I know.
Because then you get that perfect setup. You're like, this son of a...
I know. Same here.
So 9 count NQ 5 minute. Oh, let's go look. Oh yeah. A little bit worried about the FVG we have up here though too. 905 to about 909, and on the this chart, I was like, man, what's going on here? Then we also have the untested point of control at 915. DLL definitely saves you. Yeah.
No, Brad, they're not the select. They're pro accounts. I can't tell you guys how much time I spent this morning, like clicking through all the accounts, comparing, reading the payout rules and all that stuff on all their different accounts. Ultimately, I decided to stick with the same pro accounts I already had.
Yeah, I don't like to mix and match my accounts too much.
Yeah.
I like to keep them all the same. Then it's like, okay, what rule does this one have? Like, there's too much to kind of, try to keep track of. If we get this regression channel to flatten out, I may look for another push back down to VWAP, but if we don't get that, then I'm just going to hurry up and wait. No need to rush it. Yeah, VIX below 15. VIX is getting crushed. That means we're coming into an area where we can see a volatility spike at any moment, though. So, look at that. So, the last few years, there's been areas where the market has turned and went back down. We'll see if this could be the same. Nikkei's still up 1,000. HSI is open, down 36. Cosby's up 278. 19 was a screaming buy. Hey, so back in the 08 financial crisis, I had read in books, when the VIX gets to 40, that is a long-term buy. It quickly got over 40. I was like, huh. Then 50, 60, 80. I was like, wow, is this thing going to hit 100? I don't know how high the VIX can actually go. Does anybody know how high technically the VIX can go? The highest I've seen it was back in 08.
Well,
I mean, does it stop at 100 or can it keep going?
no, well, the way it works, the way I understand it is that you can convert the VIX number to a percentage of the like the percentage drop on the ES or on the SPX. So you would assume 100 is the highest.
It was 96.4.
Yeah, that means that options were pricing in a 96% pullback on the SPX.
That's when I'm getting my butt kicked. Hey, look, it was 40. Let's see where I got the 40. Oh yeah, it's 40 right here. I was like, oh yeah, it's good. My position's gonna turn and go back the other way.
Is it percents or is it points? I can't remember. I don't want to misspeak, but it's something like that, the correlation.
Yeah, that's funny.
I should probably Google it. I think it's percent.
Hey, so which 50K lucid account are we talking about? I have no idea. Talking about the flex, talking about the pro, talking about the daily.
Man, I've got 0 trade bubbles tonight.
Yeah, I know, me too.
What's going on over here?
Lucid Pro, let's go see. 50K. Looks like about 140. Let's see, how much did I count? Let's see.
Jeez, Robert, 173.
What?
That's the highest that Thinkorswim says it was 173 is the highest it's ever been.
Hey, what year? 1987. I gotta go back and look at that.
I'm gonna Google this real quick.
I'm just gonna go back and look, see if this goes to 1987. Ah, dang it. They don't have data back that far. They don't have data back that far. It'd probably be pretty hard to trade with a 10-point stop loss that day. Oh, no, the price was lower, so maybe. Never mind.
Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. So here's what they're saying is you could take the VIX and divide it by 16, and that should give you the next day's expected move in the SPX. But it's not directional. It could be up or down, depends on how the options flow is going. But
I've never seen the VIX going to 90 when the market's going up.
Yeah. It's technically not directional, but have we ever seen? Yeah. So what I'm going to, just for curiosity's sake, I don't have a VIX chart, but where did it close today, Mike?
14 something.
14?
Yeah, hold on.
So let's divide that by
14.54.
Okay. I didn't do exact, but all right. So we can say that's like an 8.7. Oh, no, I'm not doing my math right.
Oh, yeah, it's 55. The one I usually look at is 54, where it's not delayed.
Okay, 14.54.
55.
All right, 55 divided by 16. So this is... That's not giving me a percentage. I think they got something wrong here.
Wouldn't you have to divide?
It says daily expected move equals the VIX divided by 16. Well, that gives me 0.9. If you move the decimal point over, that's a 90%.
Double dose of Imodium. That's funny.
Let me use their example. 20 divided by 16. Oh, it's already in a whole number. Oh, I see. Okay, so not even a 1% move predicted for tomorrow then.
Is that surprise? Oh, I don't know. We have PPI tomorrow. Do I ever sleep? You sleep when you're dead. I sleep on Saturday and Sunday. Not really. I don't sleep on Sunday, but Saturday morning I usually get up and go ride my e-foil first thing in the morning. Yeah, I really want to try what we talked about too, Jesse. I jump the e-foil, get my weight back.
Yeah.
No, I don't die every weekend. Not yet. I've been trying to. E-foil is going to take me out. That one guy, I tell you about that guy that was pretty ticked off. I was right behind him.
Yeah.
Oh man, he was mad. Angry old man. Wasn't even close to his boat.
Wait, Fendi got 50 points? Where? Nothing's moving 50 points. Oh, okay. The NQ probably.
Yeah, like even from here, let's see.
Wait, got in at 510.
Yeah, went up over 50 points just from that swing low there.
510 fib bounce though. 510.
Probably means 810. Probably means 810, I'm assuming.
Okay. Fendi, 810. You got in at 810. Yeah, that's where I was late to the party, but I got $489 sim trade because I was on the wrong account. Hey, finally we got a bubble. Got a big green bubble up here.
I like to trade whichever prop firm I can get paid with the easiest. Whichever account's closest to payout, I like the most. They're all, I mean, because of competition, they've all gotten so close.
So close, yeah.
Apex, you can still get 20 accounts, so you get more leverage. Take Profit Trader, I still love their payout policy, which my funded futures, the new accounts I have now, have daily payouts. The rapid EOD accounts I think those are some banger accounts. Tradeify and Lucid, they're like,
Yeah, even Lucid has a daily payout option now too.
yeah.
And it's not capped at 5 payouts like all their other accounts are.
Yeah. So competition's good for us. Not good for the prop firms, but good for us.
Yeah.
So I'm really watching, see if we can get this regression channel to flatten out so we can smack it. I don't know why people do that crap. Playing with the friggin' views again. Stupid.
I can't believe we got this big old green bubble up here. No reaction yet.
Stupid. Yeah, I appreciate that, J Loves. I didn't get a bubble up there. You said you did. I didn't get one.
Do you got yours set to visible screen?
I don't know.
Or do you got it set to the session?
I think session.
Yeah. Mine's set to session too. I've got mine set to 30 on the NQ.
Yeah, I got mine. I probably didn't even change it from today. I was like, we're not going to move that much tonight. So I figured that wasn't going to be one of my plays tonight. I figured we'd get very little of those. Especially with PPI coming out tomorrow. Like, So
maybe the market's been waiting for PPI.
I doubt it. It will be funny tomorrow. If PPI comes out bad, it could still send the market south, but
I mean, all I care about is that something sends it somewhere.
Well, oil's down $1.11 right now.
I mean,
so why is oil down so much?
I don't know. The last few days have been brutal, though.
All week has. Sunday night was horrible.
I can't believe I got 2 max payouts this week in this disaster of trading.
Yeah. So what are you complaining about? This is a great market for you.
No. It was way more difficult than it should have been.
Really though?
Yeah. I had to fight tooth and nail for every trade. I don't like that.
Yeah, but when the markets were what we call easier, you weren't getting max payouts.
Well, they're not easier, but it's just faster. Like, give me my pain now, please.
Don't make me wait around and see if this is going to hurt or not. Just give it to me.
Exactly.
Ow, son of a bee. Yeah, I've never used MT5. Hey, what's up? What's up? Dow is down 43 points. PS is up 0.75. NASDAQ up 10. Russell's up 3.1. Dollar's running MT4.
Hey, wait a minute. You just said the NASDAQ's up 10?
Yeah.
My stupid thing says it's down 43.
The Dow was. Dow's down 45 now.
Dude, how is this possible? I'm connected to Lucid. I'm not connected to the... You guys got to help me figure this out. Please, somebody in the chat.
All right, here's what you do.
Know.
Hey, go to NinjaTrader, uninstall, delete your documents folder, reinstall.
I ain't doing all that. No way. There's got to be some settings somewhere.
Then if you have a problem, give us a call back.
Sure.
Hey, the internet people are trying to tell me, hey, before the guy gets out here, we need you to reset that. So I've already done it. They're trying to get me to reset. I was like, I clearly know the cable snapped in two. Like,
yeah, but you can't tell them that.
No, I told the guy. I showed the guy where it was at.
What's up, Neo? What's up, Spaces? Come on, guys. Any of you NinjaTrader experts out there, let me know what the heck is wrong. My market analyzer, the dollar and the percent net change columns that I have are both wrong. But only when I'm connected to some prop firms, not all of them. This is crazy. There's got to be a setting somewhere.
Okay, these Apex accounts have been sitting all night. I'm going to close them out. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Done, done, and done.
Nice.
Wasn't really that good of a trade though. I took some heat on it. I took some heat and then I added one. I had two on. So if we look at those accounts now, these have only been on stream.
Oh, and it just dumped a little more on it for you.
That's fine. I don't care. I was only looking for $200 a night.
All right.
Disconnect. Doesn't have my total right. Reconnect. There we go. All right, so here's the Apex. Only taking them off the VWAP trades only. I've only been taking trades on stream with it. But up 248 tonight. They're almost at the halfway mark. Halfway mark, averaging about $200 per night. Actually, Sunday night only got 40. So Sunday night was a little bit of a slacker. I'm going to close out. I'm going to turn the copier off. I'm going to close out that chart window. Done.
Nice.
Done, done, done.
Good job. And thanks for the suggestions, guys. I've already done all the basic stuff. Time zone's correct. I've even uninstalled and reinstalled. I've done the update to the latest version.
Yeah, I think it's...
I've created a whole new workspace and built all my charts from scratch.
Hey, Yoda. If Yoda's in here, you should have him ask Fable.
Trading hours on the indicator setting that doesn't have that. It's so I'm using the built-in columns for the market analyzer. So here, let me go to columns.
Hey, Yoda. So here's a problem he's having. So his market analyzer window, it doesn't read the correct what we're up or down for the day. Like right now, was the NASDAQ read?
Yeah, so the net change column that you can add does not have like an hours setting like some indicators do. So right now it says we're down $57.5. Yep.
We're only down 5.5.
So it's reading it from like
what's going on here? We're dropping.
It's reading it from like regular trading hours close instead of the extended. So where do I go? Actually, no, it's not, because where'd we close at? Where did 4 p.m.? Let me look at my chart here.
Son of a biscuit.
Help me do the math, guys. 4 p.m. we were right about here. 64 down to 36. 70 points down. Yeah, that's what it's doing, guys. It's showing me the net change since the regular trading hours close, not the futures close. And I can't find a setting anywhere. Oh, wait, trading hours? Let me see.
Watch the amount of trading hours shut off at 4.
That's like some advanced stuff. I've never gone in there and messed with all the different... I have not messed with these trading hours, so...
Rosh says, watch out for a bounce. We're almost back at VWAP. So like I said, I'd be willing to short this if we can get the regression channel going sideways or sloping down. We don't have that. And it's going to go all the way down to VWAP probably, but we'll see.
And what would it be? It's not the C-bot. It's the, what am I looking for?
We're off.
CME. Here we go. CME US index futures. Okay, so regular trading hours ends at 4. That's correct. ETH. Here's the problem. When I go to ETH, they're all set to 4 p.m. just like the regular trading hours. That's the problem. I found it now. Why is it set that way? That's... Oh, wait a minute. That's on Central. So that's wrong. Why do they all say 4 p.m.? So let's compare. If anybody's
4 p.m.
willing,
Central is 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but if anybody's...
Or my time, it's 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but the RTH and the ETH are both set to 4 p.m. Central. So one of them's wrong. Something's wrong. So if anybody wants to compare with me, here's where I went. I went to Tools, Trading Hours, and then in the left-hand side, scroll down to CME. It's the bottom 2 CMEs. Index Futures ETH and RTH. Both of mine, if you click on both of them, the end times
both
for
mine say
everything,
4 o'clock.
Both mine say 4 o'clock.
And then my little thing for time zones says Central.
Mine too. The
All right,
little drop
hey.
down.
Oh, okay.
So, but all right. So I didn't find the problem, but isn't that interesting? Why is ETH and RTH both 4 o'clock? That's not right.
Because that's when the electronic trading hours close and the real time. They open at different times. Electronic trading hours go from 6 p.m. until 5 p.m. RTH goes from, I think, 9:30 till 4 or till 5.
Oh, I thought ETH stood for extended trading hours. No.
I thought it was electronic trading hours.
Oh shit. So where do I? Okay, so
I mean, I could be wrong. I'm not saying I'm not wrong.
I know that I'm onto something here. There's got to be something wrong with. So my net change columns. Net change columns are using the regular trading hours close instead of the futures trading hours close. So where can I go fix that? Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything in the chat.
No, hey, so the 9 count, look, let's go to TradingView real quick. And keep in mind, there is no holy grail to anything. But let's put this on. All right, if you look at the 9 count just equals potential exhaustion in the market. That can work off by going sideways, or like in this case, pulling back. This case, we went sideways. This case, we went sideways, and then we kept going down there. This case, we did get a bounce back the other way. Right there, this 9 count, we worked off basically by going sideways. Same thing with this one. So ideally, if you trade the 9 count, you want to trade something else with it. Not just the 9 count blindly. Oh, we got a 9 count right here. Look, here's a 9 count. We're getting a bounce right near the VWAP as well. There we go. I'll spit it out eventually. Oh, hey, Yoda put some stuff in there.
Yeah, I read it all. Yeah, Yoda, I know. I know all that, and I told Ninja. I opened a ticket with Ninja about this, and they were arguing with me about the last close price. And they said, "Well, this is your broker. This is your prop firm. They're providing the wrong last close price." And I hit them with this sentence: "I'm connected to your data. I'm connected to Tradeovate. So you're providing the wrong last close price to your own platform." And then I never heard back.
Hey, but here's the other thing. Those of you that are familiar with Tradeovate, is there a setting inside of Tradeovate that, hey, does Tradeovate have session hours, Jesse?
I couldn't find it.
I don't know if they do or not.
But it's weird. When I log into Tradeovate with one prop firm, it'll show the correct net change. Different prop firm shows a different one. Like, I don't know what it is. But it's not happening to Mike, only me. So it's bugging the crap out of me.
Well, hey, hold on. I'll go log into Lucid real quick. I'll log into Tradeovate. I'll try to anyways. And let's just compare. That's who you're logged into right now, right?
I'm logged into Lucid.
Dude, okay. Let's see. Lucid, I don't have an idea what my Lucid is down for maintenance.
Mike says he had that issue on Apex Tradeovate also. Okay, so it's not just me. That makes me feel a little better, but this is nuts. I never used to have this problem until recently. It's really bad now.
Well, let me get in Lucid. It says we'll be back shortly. Maintenance. I really want to know. Well, I know if mine matches yours or not. Hey, remind me when we get off stream. I'll check it again.
Yeah, and I remember when you sign into Tradeovate, you got to add something to see it. But yeah, we'll check it again. Last time we checked that, yours was right and mine was wrong. So,
interesting.
Which happens to always be the case.
Not always.
I wish there was a way to just reset all these templates, these trading hour templates, back to default, just in case I somehow messed them up. I'm thinking it's a Trade of 8 setting and not a Ninja setting, though. So let's see, reports. I'm in Trade of 8. Let's see if I can find something.
That's a good move right back up.
Yeah, nice little pop.
I got none of it.
Me neither.
Hey, John, I tried to get him to do it forever and he won't do it.
What?
He said there's an uninstall delete folder.
No, hell no. I've done that before. I don't want to. No, it's not it. I've tried that. Remember, Mike? I did that.
No, you deleted Ninja. You didn't delete the documents folder.
Yeah, I did. I renamed it.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
Hey, John, he did do it.
I
kept bugging him and bugging him and bugging him. Yeah. Well, he's like, I'm telling you, it's not going to work. It didn't work either.
Last time I was dealing with this, I did absolutely everything. And then I came to the conclusion that it's got to be a Trade of 8 setting. So I opened up a ticket with Ninja.
And we went in Trade of 8. We checked our settings and we couldn't find anything.
Yeah, there's no settings. The only thing that's different is that my billing address has my zip code, which puts me in a certain time zone. And so if they're pulling it from that somehow, I don't know. So that's why I opened a ticket with Ninja, and they couldn't figure it out either. So
hey, new highs. Hey, so if we get back up here in this VWAP bands and above that regression channel, I might look for a little short. That's a pretty good little move up. About 42 points. Hey, Raj, have a good night. Hey, Mike says, are you using the app or?
No, it's in Ninja.
Yeah, so what he's doing, Mike, there's the API that connects Ninja to Trade of 8. So both his numbers read the same. They're just both wrong. I really think it's in Trade of 8.
It's got to be in Trade of 8. They changed something a few months ago that caused this. And for me anyways, caused it for me because I never used to have this issue.
You know what I can do?
You know what this started? This issue started when TPT moved me to live data, live accounts with live data. And then boom, all my Trade of 8 connections were messed up. So it's something on the back end with Trade of 8, I think. But the weird thing is how it's affecting my other prop firm accounts too, which is odd. Very odd. All right, I gotta reload the Zen pouch.
Hey, what do you have the NASDAQ at?
NASDAQ? Down 32.25.
Yeah, yours definitely jacked up. I just disconnected and reconnected.
To only Lucid?
Yeah.
And yours is fine?
Yeah, I mean, I'm back on my live data now. But yeah.
So you know what's crazier is technically speaking, there's zero difference between your live Ninja data and my live TPT data. They both come from Trade of 8.
Yeah, you're not connected to TPT.
No, I know, but it's still a problem. That's what caused the problem. But even when I do connect to them, it's still messed up.
Yeah, we're trying to get up there. I'm about to hit this.
What, short?
I don't know. We have that 915 level up there. I'm thinking about it. Look, we're up here by that regression channel. Coming into the VWAP bands too.
I think it wants GEX 1 at 900.
Oh, look, ES hit up there too. I'm not going to trade the ES, but we're on bar 9. Working on bar 9 right now. Dang it. I miss it. Might take one more shot.
John Pebkak. I was thinking for the longest time it's got to be some setting I messed with, but I renamed the folder, did a full reinstall, and then I did not recreate or dump back in my templates or my nothing. All I did was open the market analyzer, connect to the prop firm, and load that column, and that's it. And it was still wrong.
Oh,
On a
Joker.
fresh-
Did not feel me. Hit on me. Did not feel me.
What? I see you in a trade.
Yeah, it didn't feel. No, it didn't feel my exit. It ticked right on me.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, ES on 9 count too. This bar 9, but if this candle closes down here on the NASDAQ, it won't be a 9 count. I jumped in this trade a little bit late too. But would have jumped in where I should have. I would have been out. Even one tick higher, I would have been out probably.
Algorithmic trading solutions. All right, let me check that. Hold on, that's a good idea. Data series. Well, yeah, but that's on my chart. The issue's in the market analyzer window, but I'll check it. Let's see. Yeah, break at end of day is selected, and the trading hours is set to use instrument settings.
Go on.
So it's not that, but that was a good idea.
Action is rain dance.
Yeah, I was just reading that.
Come on, Joker.
Mike says, I'm going to give Lucid another go. Second time's the charm. Hey, Mike, dude, it took me forever to get to this point with Lucid. I don't know why, but got payouts from Apex, got payouts at Tick Trader, got payouts at TPT. Never could get to a payout on Lucid or Tradeify, and I've been trying for like 2 years. I don't know why. It's not like they're that much different than others.
Sometimes you're just jinxed with some for a while to get that monkey off your back.
Yeah, so finally this week I got it. Finally. Oh, man.
Yeah, hey, algorithmic trading. He put the indicator right here on the net change on the chart, and it reads exactly what the market analyzer read.
Yeah. Yeah, so they're pulling it from the same place, which is the last close.
And we went into Tradeivate, and it had the same Tradeivate had the same number that Ninja's showing in his Tradeivate.
But Mike's Tradeivate and Ninja match, and they're the correct number.
Hey Lee, it's fake. Somebody's messing with the concurrent viewers. It's not legit. Yeah, okay. We'll take care of that. So
Mr.
Bye-bye.
Maloney Baloney. See ya. Fendi said, this is my third prop account. Halfway there on 100K, second day, evenings only. Congrats. Good job.
Yeah, good job. Been up $100 on this trade twice. I feel like I should have taken it. I feel like they're spending too much time here, not trying to get down there. That's gonna be a problem.
Yeah, so sellers are accepting the price up here, which means the buyers are gonna pop.
And we got 915. We got the untested point of control at 915. So
where hold on, do I have that? I can't see that far. Damn it. I need those
they're nice. They're nice.
Yeah, I see it. Up 915. Yep. And we got VWAP bands up there too. The number 3 band is right there at that 915 almost. Oh no, it's at Gex 1 almost, I should say.
We hit that 30,000 today, rejected pretty good. I wonder if we're gonna hit it again tomorrow. If that Gex shrinks up there, they keep piling it back on.
That's still on my charts. That's still the call resistance. Although we don't have updated numbers yet for another.
No, I see. I looked at the live numbers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's still there. We have. Just sign me out.
I know. I hate that. Mentor Q's got to fix that, man. The new website's sweet, but they got to fix the timeout thing.
Yeah, we have 758. So we had 835 earlier. So some of it's peeled off, not much. Hmm. I really feel like I should have got out. I was up $100 twice. Son of a.
It might drop back down there one more time.
Maybe after it stops me out. I'm due for a loss. I had too many wins. So I was kind of slowing it down as it was.
Well, if you look on Bookmap, we're kind of stuck between two liquidity levels, 19 and 22. So it's kind of, we're right in the middle. Oh, there we go. It's trying to drop a little bit. Come on. Hopefully it goes to try to take those 22 contracts right there.
If I see 100, I'll hit close.
Not a bad idea.
I think. Only made one trade tonight. Oh, good job though, Dollar Steve. You've been killing it. Only did one trade in the Apex accounts. They made 200 on the one trade.
Yeah, the darn NQ doesn't want to take those 22 contracts or the 20 above us. We're just kind of stuck.
I know as soon as I close it all.
What's up, Team Massive?
I'm just closing it. I'm getting too nervous. It's gonna pop. Too nervous.
Was it break even? A scratch?
Nah, I mean, like, I don't know. It's $40 when I hit close.
Okay. Algo, I've got two columns. I got one set to the price and one set to the percentage, and they're both wrong. The problem is the last close. It's pulling the last close from the regular trading hours.
Yeah, and Tradeovate has the same thing, so I don't really think it has to do with Ninja, even though we keep trying to look for Ninja.
No, it's not. It's a Tradeovate issue for sure. I already confirmed that, but I opened a ticket with Ninja because they're Tradeovate. I don't know of a way to open a ticket with Tradeovate directly.
I don't know.
But I mean, I searched the forums and there's people been complaining about this forever. So apparently it's been a hit and miss, an ongoing issue for a long time.
Only person I've ever heard say anything is Jesse.
Well, a few people in the chat said it happened to them before too, so that made me feel a little better.
They're just trying to make you feel better.
Yeah.
So I feel like this market quit moving again.
Yeah. Every day. It's like, geez. I mean, look, you know what's crazy to me is that when I'm at work all day, so I don't see like a lot of the market like you guys get to see during the day. But so when I look back at it, like it looks pretty decent. but when I'm trading in the morning, it's just like this. It's painful, tiny. It's faster, but there's still like tiny little moves, and I'm like, what is going on? At least they happen faster, you know, in the morning. But it's so compressed, the price action. It's just ridiculous. We've been spoiled the last few months with wild, crazy swings all over the place.
Now, who wants to do that Apex giveaway? Let's do the Apex giveaway. While the markets are doing whatever they're doing, not doing.
Yeah, and as soon as you go to do it, it's probably going to start ripping around.
That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, just ain't right. I exited short. I hit close when I was up 40 on it. I don't know what I got on it. I don't know. I have to go look. I think I only got 20 on it. I was up 40. I hit close. I think I got 20. So, all right. Hey, so let's be clear on the rules. All right. Got to be signed up to the email list down below. Your email's got to be confirmed. Otherwise, you'll forfeit if I can't find you on the email list. I don't want to see nobody forfeit, so let's not go that route.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to give out the key phrase here in just a moment. No momento. Let's see. All right. Key phrase is going to be Apex, use code Mike. Bam. Code's been dropped. Spam the chat with that. Nightbot's going to pick out roughly 10 people. I'll pick out a handful of people. BK number 1. All right. Well, let's get it. All right. Reroll. Fight Night, you have a spot? At White Boy, you have a spot? Wow. That bot's doing a pretty good job picking out. Frank, you have a spot? Scooter? All right, let's see. Heavy D's in the house. Heavy D BBQ barbecue in the house. All right. Nightbot's gonna pick out one more. Oh, Jay Loves. Jay Loves. Nightbot giving Jay Loves some love. All right, all right.
Yeah.
All right. You guys can quit spamming the chat now. All right. Mongo, I'm gonna give you a spot. Miranda, give you a spot. David Snyder, give you a spot. Bindi, give you a spot. All right. Roach, you got a spot. Alley Cat. Lee Mendoza, you have a spot. Let's see. Elevated Life, you have a spot. What about Apple? There you go. Apple, you have a spot. Bam, bam, and bam. All right, let's see. J-Love's already in there. Spaces, give you a spot. I don't know how many people I got now. I got 20. Trying to see.
I'm trying to bite my tongue and be patient over here.
Spaces. Chinmay, you got a spot? Oh, Eric Smith. All right. Somebody you want to put in there, Jesse? All right, too late. Jesse said no. Oh, hey, actually, JC. I'm gonna put JC.
Lakefront. Yeah.
That's what all right. So we had the same one. All right.
Yeah. We had
so if he wins, we tie.
We tie. Yep.
And then any of the other ones I picked count for me.
Okay.
Hey, I need a little unfair advantage here.
All right. I hope you guys greased up your ducks.
I wonder who's going to win. And this will be good for any Apex account size, EOD or intraday accounts. Found out it does not work on the no activation fee accounts.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, we were thinking it did. It did. Oh.
Yeah, we were wrong.
Okay. And it definitely doesn't work on the 5-packs.
Yeah, don't work on 5-packs either. I knew that one up front. They told me that. All right. Where's the sounds at? Uh-oh. Sound off. All right. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's see who's going to win it. Who's got what it takes? Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's see. Miranda G. JC's up there. Elevated Life.
Elevated Life's cheating. Look at the beak on that thing.
That is a big beak.
Wow.
I hate being a few seconds behind on this.
Woo! Congratulations. No, I'm just joking.
Let me make sure I'm live. Yeah, I'm live, but I'm still like, I think 3 seconds behind. Who is it? Who is it?
I can't read the name.
Oh.
Hey, I don't want to butcher your name. I don't know how to pronounce your name.
Fuado. That was a close one, too. Second place was right there.
Huh.
All right, let's make sure Fuado is on the email list. What's the first 3 letters of your email?
I bet he is. He's in here quite a bit, I would think.
Let's go. Oh, he put SUDS. SUDS.
No. Hey, so it changes the language, A and G. See that little symbol? I just recently figured out that's what that means.
Oh.
I was always wondering what that was. So if it thinks you're talking a different language, it does a conversion. All right.
Ah.
Yeah,
Interesting.
I just figured that out like 2 days ago.
All right.
I clicked over. I was like, why'd that change? And I was like, oh, that's what's going on. Oh, that's not it. Oh, someone from Hawaii.
No, big bubble on Bookmap. Buyers trying to get after it, but they're not. They just can't get to those 30 contracts up there. Let's see. Nice race, guys. Close one.
Hard time finding it.
So Fuado says it's THE, but I don't know what that converts to. Oh, ANG. Yeah, you're right.
I put A and G in.
Yeah.
I just don't see it.
Huh.
Oh no, I found it. I found it. I found you. No, hey, I found you. Somehow I skipped it. I almost skipped it again. Let me just double check. Yeah, I got you. All right. All right, hey, I'm gonna send you an email just to make sure. Then you just gotta type this into the chat. We're gonna do a little live 2FA. All right, hey, so type this number into the chat. In a second.
Yeah, numbers won't translate. Or I mean, numbers translate just fine.
Yeah. So just type that number in, and then I'll send you over your code. All right. So you think, hey Jesse, you think we're gonna hit that 9:15 tonight before we wake up tomorrow?
I think 900 at least, Gex 1, but I don't know about 915. We'll have to see. I don't know.
All right, perfect.
Doesn't seem to want to be going anywhere right now.
That's been the MO of the market lately.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, I'll be streaming as well. So we got another Apex account tomorrow morning, another one tomorrow night, another one Friday morning. So, yeah. I don't remember now.
I can't believe it. I missed that one good trade too on that wrong sim account. That's all right. I've been getting pretty good with my patience, and like if I don't see a good setup, just kind of sitting out. So see ya, Alley Cat.
Yeah, see you later.
Ooh, are they gonna try to I'm hearing buyers. They're gonna try to take these 29 contracts here. Let's see if they can do it. I'm gonna ask Google see if Google knows what the heck the stock market's waiting for right now.
All right, hey, I just sent you your code. Send it from a different email though, so you need to check it.
Yeah. Here's what Google's AI says. The NQ compression is a classic textbook example of the market coiling up before a massive breakout.
I think it's going to be huge.
Right now, the index is stuck in a
perfect.
sideways consolidation channel just beneath the monumental 30,000 psychological milestone.
Whoa, hey, they got it wrong because it's not just psychological. Look at all these big old orders up here.
Yeah.
768,000 in gamma.
Hey, it says, this is funny. I've never seen AI talk like this. If you are losing your mind watching paint dry on a 5-minute chart, you're not alone. That's funny.
That is.
That is funny. The market is essentially trapped in a high-stakes waiting game due to a mix of mid-August seasonal slowdowns and an upcoming string of critical fundamental catalysts. I don't know what those fundamental catalysts are. Conflicting macro forces. On one hand, the tech sector is seeing massive tailwinds from the AI hardware supercycle. On the other hand, geopolitical wildcards like the Iran. Yeah, exactly.
I kind of want to go long. I thought we were going to bust that high.
I don't know. We got 28 contracts sitting right there at 980. And so far, we haven't had enough volume to push through a level like that. It's been weak. I don't trust it. I don't trust it.
Hey, the ES did get its point of control.
Did it?
Yeah. Hey, Train Game. Good morning. Hey, not a problem. Hey, we'll have another duck race tomorrow too. Don't forget. All right, I'm long.
You're long?
Yeah, probably long and wrong.
Oh, you missed my joke earlier.
What was that?
When I was trying to make a joke, but you took it literal and kept telling your story and like went right into a story about it. When I said by accidental trades, do you mean I don't really want to get long right away?
Oh no, I heard you. I knew what you meant. Yeah. Like from the other night.
I was still laughing about that. Yeah. It's like, I don't really like it way up here. All right, I'm in.
Oh boy. Put an NQ on, go to bed. I can't go to sleep with an NQ on. I have to be out of it. Otherwise my mind just races. So I'm due for a loss. This might be it. We'll see. I feel like we should have one more pop up at least. When we have a big push like this, we kind of have this like tight pattern. A lot of times it'll take at least one more push up, but question is, does it stop me out first? We'll see. So. They're going to hold me underwater until the bubbles stop. Oh, I'm going to be upset too. If I lose on this trade, they'll put me under 1K. Oh, that's going to stink. Oh, well. Is what it is. Put a mini on the Dow, you might get asleep. Dow's a little bit different. Dow, you can still wake up pretty spicy, but not like the NASDAQ. That NASDAQ's a whole nother beast.
Yeah, it's tame compared to, remember that one time I traded silver?
Where's gold at now? Oh, gold's still down 2.9. Kind of curious on that. I closed out the chart where I was trading gold, so I don't even know what it's doing. Yeah, I think I got out somewhere over here. So it's probably better than where I exited, I think. I don't know. That was a pretty good run up tonight in gold. Gold is where it was at tonight. Look at this chart in gold. Big move up, big move down.
That's interesting. It took the elevator up and the stairs down.
I don't know. It was getting it. Nah, hey, Spaces. It's not. Somebody's playing games. Why they do that, I have no idea, but whatever. Whatever. Bitcoin's up 88. Look at crude oil, though. Why is crude oil down? Look, the straits aren't open. I mean, Trump says we control the straits, but... What did he say today about steel? Floating... I don't remember. Trying to go up here. Let's see if we can get up here and take out that high. At least a couple ticks over the high.
I mean, if it does that, it's going to 900 probably, you would think.
Yeah. Yeah, Spaces. Some kind of bots.
Dang, I'm so bummed about that trade. I'm staring at the sim test account with $489 on it.
Hey, but the good news is at least you didn't say, like what I've done in the past when I've made a mistake like that, like in my live account, I meant to hit my live account. I realized I was in sim. I got like, son of a, I'll go hit my live account and it doesn't work well.
Yeah.
So it's good that
Yeah.
you didn't do that. I mean, that's, you know, having the discipline not to do that. That's good.
Yeah, I used to do that all the time. FOMO into the real trade when it's
Yeah.
too late. Yeah, they shied away from that 28 contracts again. I really think they want to try to take them out, but that's a lot of contracts. Then there's 9 right before it too.
Yeah, I don't think that's enough. I don't think that's
9 plus 28 is quite a bit to get through when we barely got any volume at all.
Don't make me put 50 on it. It'll never go up. They'll come get that so quick. Oh man, that'd be horrible. If we break the high, I'm gonna just close it, I think. Just want to see if we get a little blip through. You know, sometimes we get a little through it.
Yeah.
So that's why I got my target a little bit higher up. But I'm really just looking to get out somewhere around that high. If we can get up there. Just get on up there, please and thank you. And we'll see if they can get it.
Come on. They're trying. Come on. There's little pop of buyers. Four contracts on the ask. Come on. Oh, now it's 31. Oh, 30. 20. Oh, they're playing games. They're playing games. You see them moving the orders around?
No.
Yeah, they keep moving from 85 to 90. Back now it's, yeah, they're messing around.
Where you seeing that at? Bookmap?
Yeah.
Hold on, I got mine zoomed out a little bit further.
Somebody put 30 more contracts at 85.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
They moved it up. There it is. Now
Yeah.
it's at like 92,
Yeah,
93.
I see it.
Now they pulled it off.
Like, come on, come get me. Come on, a little bit more. I want to say a blast to it high.
There you go. They're trying. They're trying. Come on. I'm hearing a lot of buyers.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. That's the problem. I'm out.
Yeah, it means they're getting absorbed. There it goes.
That's out. I'm out. I'm fine. I'm
Good.
fine. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Nice. Session highs, right?
Yeah, session highs. I only had one losing day or one losing trade, and that was the first trade of the night. I spaced my trades out a little bit tonight. I mean, not like we had a ton of opportunities, but I never really got behind where I was playing catch up. So that was good.
Good.
I think I'm going to jump off. Market's kind of slow. I don't want to place any more trades. I'm going to be streaming tomorrow at 8 a.m. So if you guys want to come join me, have a chance to win that Apex account, any account size, come join me tomorrow. On the way out, don't forget to smash that like button. Do truly appreciate it. With that being said, if you guys are green, stay green. Look forward to seeing you guys in the morning. Take care.